Welcome to Knowledge Base. We are to prove that 30 to the power of 90 divided by 90 to the power of 30 is equal to 300 raised to power 30. Just look at how we're going to prove this. So we are given this 30 raised to power 90 all over 90 raised to power 30. This can be written as 30 raised to power 90 all over 3 times 30 all raised to power 90. That is because 3 times 30 will give us 90. So we are still consistent with our original equation, or expression rather. So we have this. From here, we can write that 30 raised to power 90 divided by 3 raised to power 30 times 30 raised to power 30. The power of 30 distributes over this and this. So each of them can actually carry the power of 30 connected by multiplication as it is. So we have 30 raised to power 90 all over 3 raised to power 30 times 30 raised to power 30. Let's continue. From here, we can compare this with this. They are in the same base and they are dividing. Since they are in the same base and they are dividing, it means we can take the base and subtract the power. So we now have 30 raised to power 90 minus 30. So we took the base because the bases are the same. We took the base and we subtracted the power, 90 minus 30. Everything will be divided by 3 raised to power 30 because that's what will be left. This has divided this. So we have this at the numerator. From here, we can say that 30 raised to power 60 is divided by 3 raised to power 30 because 90 minus 30 gives us 60. So the expression has simplified to this point. Let's continue because we are proving that this is equal to 300 raised to power 30, so we are not there yet. Looking at this, we can rewrite this as 3 times 10 all raised to power 60. We can break down 30 into 3 times 10, and everything is raised to power 60. Now, everything is divided by 3 raised to power 30 at the denominator. The reason we broke this down into 3 times 10 is so that we can have 3 and 3 here. Let's continue. This can be separated into 3 to the power of 60 times 10 to the power of 60. Similar to this, the 60 distributes over this 3 as well as this 10. So we can separate them connected by the multiplication sign. Everything divided by 3 raised to power 30. Now we have that the bases are the same here, 3 and 3, so we can subtract the power. And this reduces to 3 raised to power 60 minus 30, 3 raised to power 60 minus 30. The bases are the same and they are dividing. Multiplied by 10 raised to power 60, multiplied by 10 raised to power 60. So this is now the expression we have. Of course, 60 minus 30 gives us 30, and this reduces to 3 raised to power 30 times 10 raised to power 60. From this point, we want to reduce this power to 30 so that they become equal powers. To do that, we can write that 3 raised to power 30 times 10 raised to power 2 all raised to power 30, because 2 times 30 gives us 60. So nothing has changed. 10 raised to power 2 further raised to power 30. This is the power of power law of indices. 10 raised to power 2, 2 can multiply 30 to give us 60. So we are still mathematically correct. From here, the powers are now the same, so we can multiply the base and raise it to the common power of 30. So we can say 3 times 10 raised to power 2 all raised to power 30. Because the power are the same, we can multiply the base and raise everything to power 30. Because we know that this 30 also distributes over 3 as well as 10 raised to power 2 as we have here. 10 raised to power 2 is 100. So that 3 times 100 gives us 300, and 300 is raised to power 30. So we have successfully proven that this expression is equal to 300 raised to power 30. I hope you enjoyed this. Please note that this must not be the pattern you will use. So long you are mathematically correct, you can use another way to prove that this answer is 300 raised to the power 30, provided you are mathematically correct. You must not do it this way. This is one way you can prove it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in our next video.